this week I hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel, so I thought I would just make my first video where I'm actually sitting in front of the camera and say thank you. I think the coolest part was that my kids were really excited. When I picked them up to school, I told them, hey, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and they were really excited. I think for them this has been fun. They've kind of enjoyed this more than I thought they would. It was kind of their idea to start this channel. They were like, hey, let's just make videos and put them on YouTube. So we did. And so most of it was just kind of our camping stuff. And then when we weren't camping, we did some garden stuff at our house as we go around. And then we did some Christmas lights in the fall, and that was probably the most watched videos. If I could make Christmas light videos every week, I would do that, but it's kind of hard to make Christmas light videos year round. And then we're always camping, and so we thought, hey, we just record some of our camping trips and we'll see if anybody will watch them. And a few of them have been watched, and then when we're not camping, we did throw in the garden ones. So that's kind of what this channel has turned into right now, just kind of those three little topics of just being a dad and going outside. There's no video games on this channel, and there won't be any video games on this channel. There's lots of those already. But yeah, that was just kind of a quick thank you. So I kind of have to thank my kids too, because they're the ones that started the idea of doing this, because I think it's cooler for kids than having a YouTube channel, and I just find it as a little hobby. 1,000 subscribers doesn't mean we make any money or anything yet. We're still just doing it for fun. And sometimes videos get watched and sometimes they don't. Most people that watch the videos probably won't even see this video or make it to this part in the video. But that's okay. This is kind of for my memories of when we hit 1,000, and maybe someday we'll hit 2,000. I don't know. Right now our goal is just to kind of have fun and enjoy growing up and making some videos along the way that maybe someday we'll be able to watch again. So thanks everybody, and have a great day.